Kyrtong Jong ka Seng NPP ka kong amprin lingdo kalawan ban Thep ya ka vote ka Jong ka jaka Thep vote ka badon ha Kanya Vidyalaya School lad umkra. Ka kong amprin lingdo lem bat ki bahaya ngasem Jong ka kilapoy ha kani ka jaka bat Thep ya ka vote ka Jong ki. Habaya krench kilat patay kubor ikong amprin lingdo laong ba iaya ka jingelap ka bapaka banwan ra shibun kimat ki badon kam syakipat ba. Kalapan pauru ya kajing songsi badon katu kat ni kiseng kibamdon kajing burom kiwei pat kiseng hakapor ya lap election. Kakong amprin lingdo kalaong bakaseng kala treshitom bahabat ke Sngewskhem banyo ka Jingjop.
I will not say that elections in Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now that is something which we have to deal with, in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening.